Alright guys, so I just want to do a unboxing and review on my new HD antenna for TV. So I keep this TV here in my extra like guest room, and it's usually my parents that come visit and they're not really big into like the smart TV. So I wanted to make sure I had something for them on some basic TV. So we'll hook it up here live, see what everything that we get, and then see how it looks. So first of all, it's like a very sturdy antenna right here. I do like the size of it. I didn't need something crazy huge. You got your instructions on here. Let's see if we can get it hooked up. Put this to here. I think it's like an extra one. Yep. Awesome. And then we'll go ahead and take this one out. Should just screw right in here. Perfect. And then we're gonna go ahead and get it hooked up to the TV, do some channel search and see how it is. But right off the first impression, really, really nice antenna. It seems very, very sturdy. Let's get it hooked up. All right, so it looks like it's done. Found about 15 high definition channels, so that's really, really great. One thing I wanted to point out, it does have a magnetic base. And then another thing that you might want to consider as well is put, like right now I just literally have it in the middle of the house. Normally I have the TV right by the window, which is where you want to kind of put this just to give better reception on here. But considering where I have it, 15 full high definition channels is nothing to complain about. They look really, really good. So if you're looking for a good home antenna, I highly recommend it. 10 out of 10.